Hopefully a little bit.
Okay.
Alright everybody, so we're sitting here at the dock by Fort Wilderness Lodge and just got some information that they'll be adding a sliding gate to this area right here. And I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but it'll be a large gate for more people to enter boats, probably a little quicker. Right now it's still done in a pretty archaic form that we enter boats, so that'll all change soon. Okay, before we pull away from here, we just listened to an interesting conversation, and it basically most if not all of Disney maintenance now and design is outsourced. There's a guy working out here on the gate here at Wilderness Lodge, and he works. Yeah, they're getting ready to do the ride rehab for Splash Mountain. So it'll be Princess and the Frog. Anyway, he's out of UCF, University of Central Florida. So this is where a lot of their maintenance and design is now outsourced to. In case you wonder sometimes what's going on, it really isn't even Imagineering, it sounds like, anymore. And I get it somewhat, that you take college students and train them, bring them up through. It's not a bad idea, but holy cow, the depth of what we were just hearing was amazing as to what they're doing. They actually, there was a guy standing also and speaking to him who is he's not called an engineer, but a technician. He worked at Disneyland for many years and said that one of the things they're looking at now is AI maintenance. So if a bearing is, for instance, is going out on a ride or a machine, it will tell them that ahead of time, and possibly even be able to do the repair itself. So that's just a little bit of what we heard. As I think I said here just a little bit ago, there will be a sliding gate going in on the front of this dock here by Wilderness Lodge, and that's what the guys out there working on right now. So both of them seem to be nice guys. One is outsourced, and one of them actually works for Disney, or did work. Well, he actually still works for Disney, because he did have a conversation that maybe he was looking at moving on away from Disney just because of being fearful that his job was going to go away to AI at some point. So anyway, interesting stuff.